In Mexico, a volume of wastewater equivalent to 6 football stadiums is dumped into the environment every single hour, contaminating 80% of the country's bodies of water. At Cplantae, we develop eco-technologies for wastewater treatment based on biological and sustainable processes. We developed the Lombrifiltro, a wastewater treatment device that utilizes the ability of earthworms to break down organic matter. It is an easy-to-install, prefabricated system capable of getting rid of 80% of water pollutants. It is a highly effective system that allows customers to save up to 90% in maintenance, operation, and installation costs compared with other wastewater treatment solutions. The way it works, it's pretty simple. Wastewater flows into the device, leaving behind all of the solids for the worms to consume, achieving high-quality effluent ideal for crop irrigation or additional treatment steps. Over 300 filters have been installed all across the country, plus Colombia and Costa Rica. By demonstrating its high efficiency, the United Nations Development Program and the Global Environment Facility commissioned us to install lombrifiltros in natural protected areas like Xcalac National Park and Xcaxel, known as the Sea Turtle Sanctuary. So far, our lombrifiltros have significantly reduced water pollution, annually treating 90 million liters of wastewater and eliminating around 8 million pounds of waste product, preserving precious water resources. With projects in ecotouristic complexes, restaurants, animal farms, and even on a pharmaceutics development center, Cplantae aims to become a global leader in sustainable wastewater treatment solutions. At Cplantae, we understand that there cannot be a future without clean water. Clean water, naturally.